Welcome to another Ranger Moment here with Outpost 371. My name is Neil Allen, and today we're going to be making charcloth. And here, we can make charcloth here out of muslin. This is 100% pure muslin, very lightly. It's the cheapest. You don't want anything with fire retardant on it, or it won't work. You can just slide it right down inside here. And if you don't have access to that, you can get something. This is pure cotton wadding type material. We get some from Reza Beaver out of Las Vegas. Raised beaver bag, and you can slide it right into the can. Put your lid on. Put your handy tapper on it. Tap it down. There's a hole drilled in the top of here where you can punch it with the nail. I drilled mine. And you put it into the fire. And what you do is you let it cook. And while that cooks and the smoke comes out, and when it's all done, we'll carefully with the tongs reach in, pull it out, and put a plug into that hole so that all of that charred cloth does not just burn up because it's exposed to oxygen. So you can see the smoke right now. Right here, you can see the smoke starting to come out right at the tip right here. And when that's done smoking, we're going to plug it, pull it out, and it'll be ready to go. So now I'm going to demonstrate for you what you do with this charcloth. This is how you use it for starting a fire. This is some charcloth that I had made a few years back. I've been storing it in my little tin can here. When you come into FCF, you will get a Fire and 5 kit. Whoops. Ready? Let's flip that back up. There we go. Put it right back in the fire. Not a big deal. You can see it's still steaming along. It's still smoking along there. And let's get some charcloth out. And I have my flint and steel. This is my very first set that I ever acquired. Squeaky Goat made this piece of moose antler with a leather thong goes with it. And I acquired a piece of flint. And you just strike down. This is a file. It's 1095. Puts out a good spark. You can see right here. See how it sparks like that? And I'm going to catch the spark in here, and then it'll allow me to pick it up and blow into it and cause this bird's nest to catch fire. Here we go. And I've caught one there. You can see this. See how it's glowing right there? And here we go. And it caught. Woohoo! And as you can see, it works really well.